Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I replace my birth certificate in NY? To correct a birth certificate by mail, please complete and sign the birth certificate correction application, Espanol. If you are unable to download the application, call 311 or 212-639-9675 outside New York City to request one. Enclose copies of identification indicated on the form. How do I get a certified copy of my U.S. birth certificate? Birth certificate copies. Born in the U.S., contact the Vital Records Office in the state or territory where you were born to get a copy of your birth certificate. Follow the instructions for requesting copies and paying fees. If you need a copy fast, ask about expedited service or shipping when you place your order. How long does it take to get a replacement birth certificate in NY? Mail requests ordered with priority handling, $45 per copy ordered, are currently processed within 2 to 4 weeks from when they are received. Submitting the application to the Vital Records Processing Center by overnight delivery is recommended. How long does it take to get a newborn birth certificate in NY? Newborn birth certificates are usually mailed about 3 weeks after your child was born. The NYC Office of Vital Records is unable to provide information about your child's birth certificate before then. If you haven't received the certificate within 4 weeks, call 311 to ask for the status.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.